Yeah, son. On the train right now. Chillin. You know it's your boy. You know what I mean? Just to give me a little tour, man. About to go see Mom Dukes. You know what I mean? This shit crazy, son. This shit crazy. Hell yeah, we on that A train right now. You already know, son. Niggas told me to leave me when I be saying, yo, it's a long ass ride, son. Fucking for Rockaway, it's a journey, nigga. Oh, nigga. Motherfucking train. It's nice outside, I'm going for it. What the fuck is that? This nigga. Yeah, but it's lovely outside. It's real nice. I can't even front. Yo, down, man. I'll be out there soon, kid. It's your boy, son. I'll be out there soon, kid. I think July 18 or July 17 in Charlotte, my nigga. In the building, son. Went out to see family and my son, so yeah, I'll be coming through ASAP, you already know. Back to my, fuck it, back to business. You already know that, son. It's crazy, son. Yeah, son. I'm doing it up like that. Yo, I'm out, son. I'll let your boy. Heading to Mom's house. You already know that.